Let's talk about Clackamas, Oregon Judge Susie Norby, who in 2014 wrapped her guilty verdict at a black defendant after a 3-day bench trial. Media accounts at the time portrayed this as a normal or acceptable or even clever thing to do, but really it was none of those things. It was racist and it was disturbed. But most importantly, JJ's constitutional right to an unprejudiced court was violated. I first learned of JJ's case a few years ago while investigating judicial bias in Clackamas. He was convicted of the armed theft of a puppy. The crime was big news up and down the coast, and because a cute puppy was in danger, white people were losing their fucking minds. JJ maintains his innocence and has done so consistently. I believe him. But far more important than whether we believe JJ is whether we believe he got his due process. His ineffectual public defender urged him to waive his right to a jury trial, and based on that bad advice, he agreed to go before Judge Norby. Everything that could go wrong with such a bench trial did. A jury absolutely would have had reasonable doubt, but there was no jury, just Susie Norby. As she read her unsupportable guilty verdict, JJ shook his head, and then Judge Norby snapped. I think we can all guess what she stopped herself just short of calling JJ. We can guess because a few moments later, she rapped her verdict at him. A white judge rapped at a black defendant, revealing that she was horrifically prejudiced in every possible sense of the word. Last year, Oregon's Judicial Commission finally dropped the mic on rapping Judge Norby. Their records are secret, so we only know of her sanction due to JJ's resolve that it be made public. Despite that sanction, JJ is still sitting in jail, and Judge Norby, she's still sitting on the bench. That is, when she's not figuratively or literally using it as a battering ram.